Hi, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back. It's Lockie Ellsworth here. Just wanting to take you through the trading that was up for grabs on Wednesday, the 29th of April. Now, for those that are following the archive of our trading, you will note, as I've said many times, that some days just remind you of why we trade, and today is one of those days. Yes, trading is about psychology, it's about patience, it's about discipline, it's about all of that stuff, but ultimately it's also about profit. And for those that are building up an archive of what I'm doing, you'll be able to see firsthand that again, a simple trading strategy is proving to be very, very powerful in the current market conditions. Now, we had a great trading session. We've got both aggressive and pessimistic targets drawn on the chart, so you can see if you were disciplined and patient, you could have taken a lot more money off the table than what was on offer. We started the session in a trend, as you can see on the left hand side here, my trend line just coming into the start of the session, which means we were hunting for continuation buy signals as soon as the session started. As it turns out, the black arrow there is the first against the trend sell signal. It does not discount the trend. As it turns out, the trend did initiate again very nicely just after the session opened, when the European market ran to the north. We got a continuation buy signal. Conservative target on the continuation buy is in fact 2 points. Now, the reason it was 2 points at that time interval is because we were trading straight into the day's high, and we wanted to make sure that if we got the profit, fantastic. At least we took some off the table. Now, straight after the first continuation buy, we got a second continuation buy. Now, if you were conservative, you could have taken 2 points out of that trade on both instances. However, as you can see, it did ran on. In fact, it ran on and ran on and ran on. Took a little bit of heat here in the middle of the screen, literally a little bit of heat, but the key point was we never got a second against the trend sell signal. We never got one to get out of the trend until right at the top. Now, that signal did offer conservative 2 points per buy. Aggressive, you could have actually got up to 6 points or over 6 points per signal. What does that mean? You return 6 points at 5% per point is over a 30% return per signal. Now, ladies and gents, I did not get that. I was trading the conservative target, so I actually got out the 2 points. Quite happy to put my hand on my heart and say I learned a very valuable lesson, about trading on that particular day. Hugely valuable. Now, as we move along here, you can see that there is the first half of our session. Also, there is our absolutely second against the trend sell signal. Okay, so that is the first time we should have got out of that uptrend, is to actually jump into the sell signal. Let me show you what happened after that sell signal formed. We jumped into, let me get rid of that. We jumped into the first sell signal that formed just after the mid session. We jumped into that one. You will note we are trading the 4-touch rule. Both of those sell signals in a very strong buy bias only actually produced 2 points worth of profit. So both of those sells, as you can see there, ran on to another 2 points worth of profit each. Ultimately, a great trading day, particularly for those that were aggressive. I learned a little bit about myself, ladies and gents. I should have been far more disciplined. As it turns out, for the conservative traders, well done. You could have returned just on 8 points. Times 5% per point is a 40% return. For the aggressive traders, actually just on 16 points or a 70% return. A great mid-week trading day. Let's hope the volatility continues, and I do hope that we are back out of the doldrums of trading now that we've got some volatility and volume coming back in. Congratulations to those guys that won the trading game this week. Well done. For more info, simply just visit the website, ladies and gents, and find out about the trading game and how you can compete with other traders. Have a absolutely fantastic night, and I'll chat to you soon. Cheers. Bye.